Hi everyone. Our patient is a 48-year-old male who presented with a 2-month history of epigastric pain. During the endoscopy examination, no abnormal findings were detected and there was no evidence of gastric ulcer, erosion, polyp, or any other pathological lesion. Based on the patient's history, he has been experiencing significant anxiety and stress, along with the increased workload leading to irregular and rash eating habits. Therefore, the patient's symptoms are most consistent with functional dyspepsia related to stress. After completion of the endoscopy, the patient was discharged with a treatment plan including gastrointestinal medications and anti-anxiety therapy, along with dietary counseling. He is scheduled for follow-up after completing the prescribed medications. In this endoscopy, ampoule of water or puppy is clearly visible at 1 minute and 22 seconds of clip. Thank you for watching and we appreciate your support through likes and subscribe.